Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So the first step is to simply open Instagram, and then you have to simply go to your profile and then simply tap on this menu button in the top right corner. Then simply go to settings and privacy. Here you have to simply tap on account center at the top, then simply scroll down and go to personal details. You're going to find this under account settings. Then simply tap on account ownership and control. Then simply tap on deactivation, and then simply make sure to select your Instagram account that you want to delete. Then simply tap on delete account, and as you can see, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. If you'd just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So make sure to select delete account, then tap on continue here. Here you have to simply select the reason and tap on continue again. And then here you have to simply enter your password, and that's all you have to do in order to delete your Instagram account permanently. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.